Hello, in this video I want to show you how to download Escape from Tarkov on your PC. And to do this, you will need to go for your browser, enter Battlestate Games, open the link escapefromtarkov.com. Right here you need to log into your account, and obviously the game needs to be bought, so after a few seconds I'll see you. So right after you log in, click on your profile. Right here, as I mentioned, you need to own the game, and here I have the standard edition. So there should be install button in the middle of the screen. Click on it, you'll download the launcher, install the launcher, log in, download the game, and start it to begin playing. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.